In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete AnyDesk from your PC, step by step, including how to remove the main program, clear leftover files, and finish with a quick restart, so everything is fully cleaned up. This is a simple process, and if you follow along carefully, you'll be able to uninstall AnyDesk properly without leaving unnecessary files behind. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Let's get started. First, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. When it appears in the search results, open it. The Control Panel is where Windows gives you access to install programs, system settings, and uninstall options, so this is the best place to begin. Once Control Panel is open, click Programs. After that, select Uninstall a program. This will bring up a full list of the applications currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, it may take a moment for the list to load, so give it a second to appear. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. When you see it, click on it once to highlight it. Then look at the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm the action, so if any prompt appears, go ahead and approve it. After that, wait for the uninstall process to complete. This step removes the main AnyDesk application from your system. But we're not done yet. Sometimes apps leave behind extra files in your user folders, and if you want to fully remove AnyDesk, it's a good idea to clean those up too. To do that, press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. A folder window will open. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you find it, right-click it and choose Delete. This removes app data that may still be stored in your user profile. Next, press Windows and R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. Another folder window will open, and here you should look for the AnyDesk folder again. If it's there, right-click it and delete it. This helps remove shared program data that may have been left behind after uninstalling the software. At this point, the main program has been removed, and the leftover folders should be gone too. The last step is to restart your computer. Before you do that, save any open files or work so nothing gets lost. Then restart your PC. A restart helps Windows finish clearing out any remaining processes and make sure the uninstall is fully applied. And that's it. You've now deleted AnyDesk from your PC and removed the extra files that can sometimes remain after uninstalling. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.